Confused about French indefinite articles? When should you use them? Is there an easy rule? By the end of this lesson, you will be able to recognize and use the 3 French indefinite articles. You will learn when to use each article and understand the most common rules through simple examples. So, let's get started. What are indefinite articles? Indefinite articles are used when we talk about a person, thing, or group that is not specific or not yet identified. There are 3 indefinite articles.
1.
Used before a masculine singular noun.
Une.
Used before a feminine singular noun.
Des.
Used before plural nouns, whether they are masculine or feminine. Let's see some examples.
Un livre. Un garçon. Un chien. Un stylo. Une maison. Une fille. Une voiture. Une table. Des livres. Des garçons. Des fleurs. Des voitures.
Now, let's learn when we use the French indefinite articles. Let's understand the simple rules with examples. We often use indefinite articles when we talk about something for the first time. For example,
J'ai un livre. J'ai une voiture. Il a un chien.
So, when you're talking about one non-specific person or thing, you can use indefinite article. For example,
Un téléphone. Une maison. Un étudiant. Une pomme. Je cherche un appartement.
I'm not talking about one particular apartment. I mean any apartment that meets my needs. So we use
Un.
Now, what if we are talking about more than one person or thing? So for plural nouns, we use
Des.
For example,
J'ai des livres. Elle achète des fleurs. Nous avons des amis.
We also often use an indefinite article when we introduce someone or something. For example,
C'est un professeur. C'est une étudiante. Voici un livre.
Here is another useful rule. Often, when we introduce something for the first time, we use an indefinite article. Then, when we talk about that same specific thing again, we often use a definite article. For example,
J'ai un chien. Le chien est gentil. Félicitations. Vous avez terminé cette leçon sur les articles indéfinis.